Assalamu alaikum, this is Alvina and you're watching my YouTube channel. Today we're with Dr. Agha Ibrahim, who's one of the famous and amazing chiropractor in Pakistan. You can definitely go to his clinic in Karachi and Islamabad. And one of the best part about Dr. Ibrahim is he's very skilled, educated, and most of his family is abroad. But we're lucky to have him in Pakistan. So today we're going to understand what chiropractors do, what is the basic profession, and why do one needs to visit a chiropractor, and what are the signs that now you need to understand that you need to visit that chiropractor for sure. And we're definitely going to have some basic information about this profession as well, and do they offer any internships currently or not. We'll also ask them the difference between a traditional bone breaker and corrector, and a difference in chiropractor as well. And we have a lot of other questions for Dr. Ibrahim Yusuf as well, so just check it out.
Walaikum Assalam, Ms. Alvina Agha. Yes, I did my doctorate MD in 1980s, and in 1984 I did my Doctor of Chiropractic. So I have been, now since I have not been sailing in two boats, so from that time I was focusing on only chiropractic treatments, and it took me that long to come to this level. It was not overnight, doing cases for 10 to 12 hours a day. That was the biggest experience what I gained was in South America, and coming towards Pakistan and all that. Otherwise, the patients we used to see in US or in European countries, they never used to be in that bad shape. Why the cases are increasing in the countries like Pakistan and all that? Because since the millennium, we had the exposure of laptops, PCs, and all that. So Ahmad says, and having sitting in wrong postures for long hours, the patients will be in trillions and millions. Chiropractors. What is the meaning of a chiropractor? Let me explain you. They are dealing with all the misalignment of the spine, with anyone having nerve compressions and misalignment of the spine. There are chiropractors in almost all the major countries in the world. It started from United States, and right now a lot of countries are giving training to new students. So anyone suffering from any discomfort in the back, in their unseen pains, should visit a chiropractor. Having a visit or a complete check with a chiropractor is a good option, instead of going for the unseen treatment without getting diagnosed. A chiropractor is the best person to diagnose you and give you the best advice. And if you are suffering from any pain which is more than few days, or almost you're suffering it from weeks and almost like that, you must get it checked. Don't live in your pain, because you should know that what exactly is causing the pain. Signs in which you must visit a chiropractor: if you are having cervical pain, pain in the neck, or having pain in your shoulders, or your hands or fingers are getting numb, or you are having signs of migraines and all that. About lower back, if you are having pains while after standing up after a while, or Ahmad says the pain is radiating in the legs, you're feeling numbness in the legs, tingling in the legs, or any discomfort pain which is continuously with you. And especially I would talk about all those people who are in IT profession or software engineers and all that. They should be very careful, because they are having a long sitting in front of laptops and computers. So all those who are working for long hours in front of the screens, they should be very careful about, I would say, in their postures and all that, because if you're sitting for long in a wrong posture, this spine will ultimately start giving you pain. Now we are talking about chiropractors. Let me explain you all those countries who are giving universities training to all those doctor of chiropractors. The basic courses are of 4 years. Now we are talking about you told me why to visit a chiropractor. Okay, now again I'm telling you, visiting a proper licensed chiropractor. Now we don't have licensing in Asian countries, but I would talk about the degrees. All my doctors who are under my umbrella, they're all officially, they have all done their courses and they have their certificates with them. So, and let me tell you, by the way, people don't have much knowledge about chiropractors that anybody can fix their spine. It's not that. If you would go to a layman, the possibility is there he's going to damage you. And without the investigation and everything, if he starts giving you the treatment, that may give you a long-term damage. So I would talk to you very fairly. There are a lot of people who are doing and in this business, in this field, regardless of having the knowledge about chiropractor, they have been, I've heard about a lot of them who have been doing the adjustments and all that without knowing that. Please don't do adjustments if you don't have the knowledge of it, or if you have not done your education, because that can be harmful to any patient. I'll do my scan, okay? But I do see the MRI reports, okay?
Okay.
All right. Now I can feel the nerve compressions here, moving it towards right, moving it towards left, okay? Just wait a second. Relax, relax. I've not broken nobody's neck, so don't worry for that, okay? Just wait. Give me a second, please. I'm sitting. Just turn a little bit on this side. Okay. And a very fair adjustment, okay? Whatever you feel, speak out.
Oh. Oh.
Any doubts on my adjustment
No doubts.
to the whole world?
No.
Anybody's got doubts, he is more than or she is more than welcome. I told you, any doctor here will be, she'll be graduated from US, Canada, Australia. You can come and check their degrees, okay? I'm not training anyone until and unless they are under my umbrella. Now I did your cervical and everybody would have heard the sound.
Yes.
They were not fake.
Yes.
People have been uploading fake videos, don't trust them. Okay, they are all fake videos. I'm not talking about everyone. All those who are chiropractors, now let me tell you why I'm training them here. Because the cases here are more worse what we are going to see them in US or there, because they have got the awareness. So they are not going to live in their pains. Here people will come once they have suffered badly. Today I saw a patient who is suffering from 40 years. He got a treatment from somewhere. I would like to name someone. And he said, Dr. Sahab, I just came to check it out that they said I am perfectly alright. I said you are still at the level of 0.
Yes. It's better.
I know that. So we were discussing about the internship. Internship is once you graduate from the chiropractic school after doing Doctor of Chiropractic. After doing your university level, the exposure of doing patients, any new chiropractor coming out of the university needs a senior doctor, he or she is assisting a senior doctor. The thing is, the more exposure he or she gets, the more she is better in the field, and he'll give better results. So why I'm giving them internship in countries like Pakistan? Because the cases I am seeing, especially from Gulf countries, Karachi, Pakistan, and towards eastern countries. So I'm going to see the worst cases over here. So whatever experience they gain from here, they are applying in US, Canada, Australia, and they are giving better results. Otherwise, let me tell you, I'm dealing with the cases all over the world, and with lack of experience, those chiropractors are not able to give them longer results and longer staying results. If you just manage the patient's discomforts and send him out, the reoccurrence of the pain will reoccur. So, what I will give a guideline to the chiropractors, that you better fix the patient properly so that the chances of revertness are at the level of 2 to 3% or 0%. Miss Alvina, you asked me a question, what is the difference between those palwans or those bone setters, okay, and chiropractors? Let me, that's a very valid question you have asked me. Those bone setters still, I'm telling you, they're still effective even today in the field. If you have an injury for your, I would say, any hairline fracture, or anything happens to your bones of the body, the best part is, my advice is to going to a professional doctor, orthopedics for the bones, neuro for your any tumor in your brain or anything like that. But if you don't get an option, going to a bone setter is not a bad idea, okay? He is going to at least bring you out of the pain. But please don't go to them for your spinal discomforts. They were not fixing the spine in the past even and today even. They will damage you instead of correcting your spine.
He told us a lot of signs that you need to visit a chiropractor. For instance, if I tell you some of the signs, like if there's a tingling, numbing, or if you have a constant headache, or you have a cervical pain, you have back pain, you have pain in your neck. So these are some of the signs that you need to visit chiropractor. And unfortunately, I have all of these signs already in my life, and they're very constant, they're persistent with me in life, and I keep on ignoring them because I feel my work is very demanding, and I need to have a lot of work hours. Unfortunately, I do a lot of writing, I do a lot of reading, and that is why I just ignore all of that aspects. But now Dr. Ibrahim told me that I must not ignore it, and I must need some sittings for this session as well. And why do I need to have these sittings? Is because I need to take care of my health as well, not work. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz, and God bless you all.